The health of 20-year-old Ukrainian political prisoner Pavlo Hryb is rapidly deteriorating. In addition to stomach pain, he also experiences headaches. According to Pavlo's father, he was diagnosed with liver cirrhosis.
An ambulance was called during all of the last 3 court sessions. Pavlo complained of severe stomach pain and headaches. Everyone who is present at the court sessions can see it. Only the court doesn't see it. After the ambulance came and performed an anesthetic injection, the session continued. The number of banned neutrophils is 3 times the norm. This may indicate an inflammatory process or bleeding, which is slowly manifesting.
Pavlo's doctor is concerned about the results of his patient's latest health exam. Vasyl Prytula has been treating Pavlo since childhood. At the age of 4, the boy was diagnosed with high blood pressure in a vein in the abdominal cavity. In 2017, Pavlo was supposed to undergo shunt surgery.
His portal vein, which leads to the liver, is affected. It's shaped as nodes. Due to this, his blood supply was disrupted. Because blood doesn't enter the liver, the pressure in the vessels in the food pipe, stomach, and the duodenum has increased. Bleeding can start at any moment. In addition to this, his spleen is increasing. Because of this, his blood structure is changing. It's starting to coagulate poorly.
Ukrainian doctors can only make assumptions about what's happening with Pavlo's vessels and whether there is internal bleeding. His latest examination was done by Russian doctors at the end of January, on request of his mother and lawyers. However, the results weren't comprehensive.
He needs an urgent CT scan with contrast, an endoscopic examination to see what's happening with the vessels in his stomach and the duodenum. Cirrhosis isn't the worst problem, the bleeding is.
For the first 6 months after his detention, Pavlo Hryb didn't take any medication. The prison where he was held didn't allow anyone to send him medicine. Pavlo's health was also affected by the abuse he suffered at the hands of Russian investigators in 2017. This is according to his father.
He stated in court that the testimony he gave earlier was made under pressure and torture, and considering the fact that one blow to the abdomen can cause the portal vein to break, it may have been the end.
After Pavlo's testimony, the court ordered an investigation. It's conducted by the Russian prosecutor's office. Pavlo's father says that the verdict can be announced in the nearest future. The next court hearing is to be held on February 18th. Pavlo was kidnapped by the Russian FSB in August 2017 in the Belarusian city of Gomel. He came there to meet a girl with whom he had been chatting online. 2 weeks after Pavlo's disappearance, it became known that he was in prison in Krasnodar, Russia. Now Pavlo is held in Rostov-on-Don. Reported by Yulia Boshko, UATV.